What's this right here, John?
Another little gig.
All right. Another gig. Number 20.
Little engine.
That crane. Holy cow. That thing is big. Hard walking through the snow. What's that?
An old unit.
Oh yeah.
Wait this way, so you know.
Oh yeah. There's a C&O right there.
Yeah, mate this away.
Yeah, over there.
There's your crane tender.
That is a crane tender.
Just a few tall ones.
If you want to call it that. That's what they really look like. It's not like those ones with the little shanty on them. This video is going to be shaky because we're trucking through the snow.
Through the hook.
That's a big hug.
The heavy batch.
Oh yeah. How many tons is that fucker?
There might be a tag on there somewhere.
Machinery. Wow. Chelsea Systems.
Oh wait, that's Western Maryland on this. That's
Western Maryland, ain't it? Yep. WM. It's another old crane. Yep, and this one's Western Maryland. Old passenger car. Canadian National. CN.
Some box car way down there. And then,
Where? Way over there?
way down there,
Yeah, what is that? It's too far to walk to.
yeah. Yeah, this is like that crane that was down there.
Diesel electric.
This is motored.
Oh,
By
really?
the crane itself, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Looking at wheel right there. Yeah, it must be a hydraulic gig or something.
Oh, down in
between
there.
the wheels.
Yep.
On that one axle. That moves by itself.
Oh, yeah, self-powered. Doesn't got to get towed around.
Oh.
Let's say climb into this passenger car. Nah, there's nothing in there.
Some kids have been fucking it up.
Oh, really? Little vandals. Big caboose here.
You got shit sitting down at Delphi plant.
Oh, really?
It's got roller bearings on it.
That does.
Tinkin.
It's got the new stuff. Newer stuff. This thing's all weathered and messed up looking. I like it. The uglier the better. That's what I say.
But it's owned by someone that,
What's that?
yeah. Wherever they got it from, this is a non-railroad company.
Oh yeah, with the X. RLS, whatever the heck that stands for. Wonder what these are. These old passenger cars. Where they got them from? New York Central, maybe? Pretty old.
That's handy about that. It's got a horn.
Yeah, just looking at that. A little rusty. We're all slipping. There's that tag. Fueling tank.
That's the RV shitter.
It's a bathroom. Yeah, that window's all black.
You see the axle and bearing and shit, friction.
Regular freight ain't supposed to have that no more, are they?
Huh?
They're not supposed to have that stuff? Regular freight?
Not an interstate cruise.
Privatized maybe, but
Yeah, like that.
yeah.
Using one purpose. They're still fine going down the tracks.
Yeah. Look, big stack of rails here. I'm gonna film some of these other ones too. I'll be over there in a sec. I'm just gonna truck myself through the snow here. Let's get in the footage.
Probably another hour or so daylight.
That's cool.